Have rising energy costs and a dependence on volatile fuel markets had you turning your thermostat down? Have you given up warmth, comfort, and independence for fear of draining your bank account each winter? Do you find yourself monitoring your thermostats closely, knowing that a few degrees difference can mean huge costs by season's end? If you find yourself haunted by any of these issues, it's time for a change. You can stop burning cash, stay warmer, and even save thousands. Alternate Heating Systems is pleased to introduce you to the Wood Gun Wood Gasification Boiler. The Wood Gun is designed for any application with residential, commercial, and industrial models, providing convenient, economical, and reliable heat. It can be applied to steam-based, water-based, or air-based designs, and it can even be used to heat domestic hot water, pools, and hot tubs. Whether you're heating your home, a commercial building, shop, farm building, greenhouse, or any other structure, the Wood Gun can meet your needs. The Wood Gun is a clean-burning wood or biomass boiler that utilizes gasification to provide efficient heat. Up to 3/4 of the available energy in wood fuel is released as gas during the combustion process. The typical wood-burning device allows much of that gas to escape, resulting in lost efficiency and the formation of smoke and creosote. However, the Wood Gun's design captures and combusts these gases, thus using a much higher percentage of the potential energy, achieving maximum performance and efficiency. Additionally, wood is a renewable fuel source, and when burned in the Wood Gun, it is eco-friendly with a near zero carbon footprint. The Wood Gun system operates with downdraft gasification, which allows ultimate control of the combustion process. Fuel is loaded in the firebox through the upper door on the front of the boiler. As the wood begins to burn, the boiler's fan pulls the wood gases down into the refractory, which forms the bottom of the firebox. As the refractory mass is fully heated, the gases are pulled down into the refractory tubes, where combustion occurs and the gases are converted to heat. The heat generated in the refractory then enters the swirl chamber heat exchanger, where 90% of the Wood Gun's thermal exchange occurs. Assisted by a draft inducer, the exhaust air spins through a large diameter drum in a swirling action. The exhaust air and the ash from the wood scrub the walls of the heat exchanger, keeping it clean and efficient. This self-cleaning action prevents the need for troublesome routine cleaning of the heat exchanger that has plagued the wood boiler industry for years. The exhaust then exits the boiler and enters the cyclone ash separator, which separates the fly ash from the exhaust system and drops it into an ash pan outside the boiler, allowing for easy removal and disposal. Another great advantage of the Wood Gun is that it runs by a true on and off cycle, unlike competitor models that run by an on and down cycle. In the off cycle, the Wood Gun still retains heat in the refractory mass, which can be used to reignite the fuel up to 5 hours later, saving precious energy. This allows the Wood Gun to run like a standard fuel appliance, where it can be controlled. Among competing models, the down cycle is the most vulnerable time for the boiler, as creosote and moisture in the firebox can deteriorate the steel walls, and efficiency is lost due to the smoldering of the fuel. These issues are addressed by the Wood Gun's superior design. The Wood Gun provides a high-efficiency solution to soaring energy costs. Compared to oil heating, you can reduce your costs by 2/3 or more by burning wood. Properly used, the Wood Gun can yield up to 12 hours of burn time between loads. With a combination of a cost-effective fuel source and an efficient wood boiler, the Wood Gun provides substantial benefits. The Wood Gun is also extremely durable and is even available in stainless steel. All components of the system are accessible and maintenance-friendly. The most frequent attendance that the Wood Gun requires is simply filling the firebox with wood and removing the ash as needed. The unit is simple to operate and requires minimal cleaning. For all other maintenance, the user can follow the simple seasonal maintenance schedule in the manual. With a 30-year history of providing parts and service, Alternate Heating Systems can assure its customers they'll not be left in the cold. Alternate Heating Systems' Wood Gun Wood Gasification Boiler offers an effective, efficient, and relatively low-cost solution to your heating needs. The Wood Gun's superior design, excellent quality, and amazing efficiency make it the best wood boiler on today's market. You too can take control of your heating costs. Stay warm, it's cheaper than you think.